The P0174 code indicates that your engine's bank 2 is running too lean, meaning there's too much air relative to fuel in the air-fuel mixture. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine containing cylinders 2, 4, 6, and so on, which is typical in V6 or V8 engines. This imbalance can reduce engine performance and potentially cause long-term damage. In the following sections, we'll cover the common causes, symptoms, and how to fix this issue. Several issues can trigger a P0174 code. The most common culprits are vacuum leaks from cracked hoses or intake manifold gaskets. Faulty mass airflow or manifold absolute pressure sensors can also cause this code. Clogged fuel injectors prevent proper fuel delivery. A weak fuel pump fails to maintain adequate pressure. Exhaust leaks can also contribute to this issue. In turbocharged engines, boost leaks can exacerbate the problem. Modern vehicles may experience this due to catalytic converter problems or fuel vapor purge system faults. Beyond the check engine light, watch for these symptoms that accompany a P0174 code. Rough idling or stalling occurs when the engine shakes or stops unexpectedly due to the lean mixture. Poor acceleration means the vehicle struggles to pick up speed, making driving feel sluggish. Increased fuel consumption results in using more fuel per distance traveled. In rare cases, black smoke from the exhaust indicates incomplete combustion. Higher NOx emissions may occur, potentially triggering related codes like P0420 for catalyst efficiency. These symptoms help identify the lean condition affecting engine performance. Start with an OBD2 scan to confirm the P74 code and check for any related codes, like P0171 for Bank 1. This will give you a clearer picture of the problem. Advanced AI-powered OBD2 scanners can even analyze sensor data to predict likely causes based on your vehicle's history, saving diagnosis time. To check for vacuum leaks, inspect hoses and intake manifold gaskets. Use a smoke test with a leak detector or carefully spray carb cleaner around connections. If engine idle changes when spraying, there's likely a leak. These leaks are very common causes of the P0174 code. Testing sensors and fuel delivery is crucial for diagnosing P0174. Begin by testing the MAF sensor with a multimeter or oscilloscope. MAF readings should stabilize at idle, indicating proper airflow measurement. Test the MAP sensor similarly to ensure accurate manifold pressure readings. Next, check fuel pressure using a gauge. It should typically read between 45 and 65 psi. Finally, inspect fuel injectors. Clean or replace any clogged ones, as they directly impact the air-fuel mixture. For newer vehicles, consider ECM reprogramming or using a bidirectional scanner to reset adaptations after repairs. Software updates via OTA systems are also becoming more common for sensor calibration, reducing the need for shop visits. Hybrid vehicles may experience P0174 due to battery management issues affecting the fuel pump. Repair costs for a P0174 code typically range from $100 to $500, depending on the specific faulty part. For example, replacing an oxygen sensor can cost between $150 and $300, including parts and labor. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding P0174 issues. Regularly changing your air filters helps maintain proper air-fuel ratios and prevents contaminants from affecting sensors. This simple step can significantly reduce the chances of the code recurring. Remember that a P0174 code is rarely a simple fix. It requires a systematic approach to diagnosis, checking sensors, vacuum leaks, fuel delivery, and other components. Using a flowchart like this can help guide the troubleshooting process. If you're unsure about diagnosing or repairing a P0174 code yourself, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to handle complex automotive issues safely and effectively. In summary, understanding the P0174 code and following proper repair and prevention practices will help keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently.